In this video, I will show you how to set up the basic feeder settings. The feeder is connected to the output port 1, and now I have to go into the menu, go into output ports, plug 1, and assign this plug 1 the function feeder, which you find down below here. If we go back, you will see that there are now new submenu items appearing. The first one is the operating time. I would like that my fish are fed from, let's say, 7 o'clock in the morning until 7 o'clock in the evening, which is 19 a.m. If I go back, then I have now my time window where the feeder is active. So in the specific feeding times in that window, I can assign here. I have to select the mode. Either at specific times, for example at 9 o'clock, at 12 o'clock, at 3 o'clock, this would be the timer table. There I have a table to do that. Or the interval mode, where I can set up an interval, for example, every hour for always 10 seconds. This is what I would like to show here. If I have selected this, I will go back, and then the interval mode appears. And here I said, so I want to switch on the feeder always every hour, and this for always, let's say, 30 seconds. So that's it. Now the feeder will feed from 7 to 7 every hour in 30 seconds. If you go up there at the output port 1, you will see the function feeder, the current status, and now when it will turn on the next time.